Welcome friends. We are glad you are here at Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn action words.
Let's get moving, Mom.
Okay. So our action words are the action verbs describe something a noun can do. Okay? So this is our first word, that is bend. Can you say bend?
Bend.
Next action is cook.
Cook.
Crawl,
Crawl.
cry,
Crawl.
dance,
Dance.
draw,
Draw.
drink,
Drink.
eat,
Eat.
jump,
Jump.
kick,
Kick.
knee,
Knee.
laugh,
Laugh.
lift,
Lift.
paint,
Paint.
pull,
Pull.
read,
Read.
run,
Run.
shout,
Shout.
sit,
Sit.
sing,
Sing.
sleep, smell,
Smell.
swim, play, think, throw, walk, win. Awesome! You have done a great job with action words. Remember, you can jump, run, clap, dance, sing every day.